Check it out. Old tool time. An old broken Bosch hammer. This is the old GBH 5/40 DCE. The original Bosch 5 hammer with the old square motor like the 11E. This is easily 20 years old. Let's see if we can fix it. Customer says it ain't running. Let's plug it on. See what she's doing. Indeed as it is. Indeed, it is not running. Right, let's see what's wrong. Check the simple stuff first. Lead and brushes. You can tell they're old when they use the old flathead screws. Pull them out. Handle can just come off. Get to the switch, the lead and the controller. Multimeter. Check their lead first. Lead's okay. Switch is also okay. Now, I already know what's wrong with this thing. I'm just wasting time. Giving you a bit of time to see who's first in the comment section to tell me what's wrong with it. Get your guesses on now. This is a common one, I can nearly guarantee. No bottom, not in this old one, just the bottom cover. Bearing's a wee bit slack, but it's not gone. Could be brushes. You're nearly gone. Nearly, but not completely. Yeah, brushes need to be replaced, but they're not actually gone. Right, and deeper. We already know we're going to have to go on deeper with this one. Take out the brushes and pull out the brush holder. One wee screw holds it on. Don't need to take it out completely, just pull it out a little bit. Can't take out the armature unless that brush holder's pulled back. They're an odd machine because they're right at the time when screws and everything were changing. Handles back here are flats. Screws down here are PH, but these little screws on here are actually posi 1s. A lot of a mixture in this thing. Pull that back and pull out your armature. Just check that first, make sure it's still okay. Doesn't look too bad. And we'll get on to where the problem should actually be. Pop off these two leads. And your brush holder, this here boy, give that a good yank. And the whole thing will come out along with the lead. Pull out your switch as well and your controller so it doesn't snag on it. Then pull it out. And I can nearly guarantee our problem will be on here. Same kind of machine as the Bosch, old Bosch GBH 4 SDS Plus drill. The same issue. But in fairness, it was an issue that would only turn up every 10 or 20 years. That's very tight. This brush holder is just pressed onto this field on the little spade connectors. Not normally this tight. Maybe not. Spades are all intact. There we go. This one here. Broken. So the lead's coming up here and crumping onto the top. The top It's not connected onto the actual spade inside. That's your problem. Now you can just solder that back together and do a temporary fix. Generally that will work, but it's a short-term fix. They break because of fatigue, because of the hammer on this here vibrating and banging around and rattling everything. These eventually fatigue and break. Think of it like a paper clip. If you take it out and bend it a few times, you can bend it at will bend, but once you go 3 or 4 times, it'll eventually just snap. It breaks due to fatigue. It's work hardened, got hard and snapped off. That's what's happening here. So that has got hard and snapped. If it's broken one, there's 3 more that's starting to work harden, and probably 3 more that's going to break. So you'll fix this one, then this one will go, and then that one will go, and then this one will go. You'll be forever fixing it. So the handiest thing to do is just replace it. That actual field doesn't cost all that much, and I think you actually still have these things in stock. So one of these on the Bosch website. There's the other. Now this is the other beautiful thing about Bosch. Things at least 20 or 25 years old, if not 30 years old. And the field, 110 volt field, 1614220 still in stock with Bosch, £32. Well worth replacing, and even for a machine of this age. This has probably been updated 3 or 4 times since. They still have the original parts for this here for sale. Bosch have always been really reliable and really dependable for hammers for this exact reason. Even 30 years later, you can still buy the parts for them. A very true old type brand that actually sells you machines that can be maintained and kept running for decades. There's our new field. Exact same as the old one. These here are nice and fresh and will last easily 10 or 20 years. I'll just stick this on stock instead. Plus, it helps use up an old bit of stock for me. Just make sure you're putting these spades on correctly. Make sure you're not missing. You have 4 to get in simultaneously. And if you are going to solder these here, and if this lead especially breaks off of this and you're trying to glue it back together, solder it and support it with a bit of glue, do remember these here tall pieces where the wire goes on to has to fit up inside of here. So if you put on too much solder, or if you put a big lump of hot glue on it, it'll not fit back into this holder. Just bear that in mind if you are soldering. That is a very snug fit. Well, that brush holder is definitely not worn out of the last 20 years anyway. It's still as tight and as fresh as the day it went on. Right. The other thing I'm going to get is a new set of brushes as well. 1, 2 2s. Now, these are an old set of brushes as well because they still have the old copper plate on top. Most brushes just have a plain top, but these Bosch ones, these old ones, had this little bow on top of it. I'll make sure I have these as well. These are an old set of brushes too, and they still have the old brass plate on top. Most brushes just have a plain brush. These older ones had a wee brass plate just for the brush spring to slide across on. As always for just that little extra detail. But that should be her. Hopefully, all we need to do to this thing. A very easy fix. Literally a few screws, pull that out, pop it back in again. Just lay that controller on. Need your switching. Get my spades back on again as well. Otherwise this thing won't be doing anything. Armature, when you're dropping that on, the actual bearing down in here actually has the shape of this here armature, the gear teeth. It's not round, that is an actual star. So whenever you're dropping it on, it won't actually go on. You have to drop it on several times and slowly turning it. Otherwise the bearing's just going to spin on its own. And you finally open it. And I'll drop on. Now it's just a matter of screwing everything back together again and putting the new brushes on. That should keep this old gear up and running for another 20 odd years. Literally looks like a wee mini 11E, but this one is actually rotation as well. Cracking wee machine. Built like a tank and lasted just as long. That brush spring is very far down. Get wee fine needle nose pliers or some wee hook or something to hook that, and then pull it up. You don't want to bend that little spring. Don't force it if it won't come up. It gets on to grab it with. Connect them on again. These boys here then are little covers just for the brushes, that's it. You literally just slide over the top just to help keep dust away from them. You also don't get these in any machines nowadays either. Lead's actually broken too. Or not broken, but it's split. It's actually a 3-core lead. Now we'll just shorten it. We don't need to put on a new one. If it's not broke, it'll be alright. Might be 3-core. It'll do it no harm. That's not essential. Just rather fix that little brake so it doesn't come in for a broken lead then. Keep it lasting, keep it running a little bit better. Now, that should hopefully be it. Slide your handle back on, line up your screws, screw her back down again. Now, that should be her. One old Bosch hammer up and running again. It's just an old field. Needing just a new field. New field is still available after 30 odd years. Look at that. One old Bosch hammer. Still running like she should. And still rotating, that's the main thing too. Who guessed right? Who got the right answer in the comment section? So who guessed correctly? Who guessed the field? Just make sure she's actually hammering correctly here now. That's her. One old Bosch hammer, GBH 5/40 DC. If you have one and she's not running on you, always check that field. That's the number one thing that actually breaks in them. And not expensive to fix. See, if you got the right answer, congratulations. That's her, ready to go. That'll keep us man running for another 20 odd years. Anyway folks, as always, thanks for watching, for liking the tool repair videos. As always, make sure to hit that like and follow down below. But till next time, chat to you later.